go. What's up, guys? Levi Warner from Unexpectedly Random. I'm out here in the freezing temperatures to bring you some decent footage of a new body mount rig that I've made for my cell phone. Most of my footage that I have for my videos is based off from my cell phone camera. I do that because my camera is portable, it's always with me, and it's a pretty decent quality for being a cell phone. It's a Samsung Galaxy S6, I believe. So I use that all the time. The problem is I have videos and stuff that I have to record that require the use of my hands while I'm still recording. So I've developed this hands-free rig. It actually mounts by these straps that go around my back, and it allows me to record hands-free. It's going to make gameplay videos a lot easier for me. It's also going to make unboxing videos very simple. It's just a great new piece of equipment to have in my arsenal. I do have an over-the-shoulder mount for my GoPro that it works pretty well, but it's hard to adapt for my cell phone. So this is a nice way. It gives me almost a Snorri Cam style setup, as well as being able to flip it around like you've seen in the previous clip and record in front of me what I'm seeing, what I'm walking into. So it's a pretty sweet build. I'll give you after this clip, I'll give you a bit of an overview of the build design, and look for a future video where we teach you how to make it, because this is a very simple build. I made it for around $30 with parts from the hardware store, and it's really easy to build. So I think it'd be a good one to do a how-to video on. So those of you who have a similar problem with me, like I do, that you record with your camera and need to be able to do it hands-free, you'll be able to make this rig yourself and have a great time with it. So, alright, stay random.